Hey everyone, I'm going to make a video today not only for my acupuncture patients but also and especially for the doctors of acupuncture and Chinese medicine and licensed acupuncturists worldwide. You're going to want to watch this video. My name is Dr. Anna Dolopo. I've been in practice since 1999. As of today, that's 25 years. And you're going to hear about some very severe cases, but what I want to share with both my patients as well as doctors of Chinese medicine. I want you to know how I approach these cases. All right, so let's just mention a few of the things and hopefully you'll find tremendous value. So I'm going to share 10 totally different cases. Just briefly, I'm just going to tell you what they are. Okay, so I have one woman who is my age, she's 50, and I got all of her lab tests perfect. We're talking about the T3, her thyroid numbers had to be perfect, as well as her estrogen, progesterone. She wanted her hormones straight. She wanted no more hot flashes, no more night sweats, which, by the way, being my age, I have none of those hormonal issues. So I've been receiving acupuncture since I was 20. Just a little side note, the powers of acupuncture in Chinese medicine. So we got her lab test perfectly, and she said she will write a testimonial. We're talking about all her hormone levels and especially her thyroid. Then the second case is a brain hemorrhage with migraines. 0, done. And if you look up Elements in Harmony acupuncture.com and you look up brain hemorrhage and migraines, you'll see that case there as well as her testimonial. I did a video on that, and as to date, 2024, she wrote that testimonial back in 2020. No hemorrhage, no brain hemorrhage. She had no need for surgery, despite her neurologist telling her you need to have the brain surgery. And then complete placenta previa. If you look up Elements in Harmony acupuncture.com or go on Yelp, you'll see that there are quite a few videos and testimonials specifically for high-risk pregnancy, including complete placenta previa. I have a patient right now who's coming in for her second treatment for a major stroke that she had, leaving her paralyzed on one side. She's an older lady, and after one treatment, her doctor, or actually not her doctor, her acupressurist said that what has she done because her muscles are not so spastic. And most people don't know that in the 90s and the early 2000s, all I focused on by at least 70% were people who were post-stroke. So after one treatment, this woman is, according to her daughter, significantly better from the treatment after she had a stroke. And that stroke was back in November, and it is right now August. So we had a long time in between treatments, whereas I would want to normally treat a stroke patient immediately. And then there's also the case of the 5% chance to get pregnant. And I was able to get mommy and daddy having a baby, and she got pregnant in 6 months. And then there's severe shoulder pain, torn MCL, torn ACL, herniated disc, loss of taste and smell, which you know what I mean, and severe TMJ. So those are 10 different cases, right? Have nothing to do with each other really. And my message today is when someone asked me tonight, actually the daughter of the patient with the stroke, who had the stroke, she said, "You are so smart. How do you," because she's seen me over the years fix things. And I do have students. Check out our work at successfulacupuncturists.com. Check out my work on elementsinharmony.com. And if I can pass along one simple thing, which is my late grandmaster, Dr. Richard Tefu Tan, would say, keep it simple. I know a lot of you want to know the points, you want to know the herbs, you want to know, tell me how. And I will start with, keep it simple. No matter how complicated the case, the brain hemorrhage case, that was complicated. The hormone situation, getting the T3 perfect. She's like, oh my gosh, her lab tests are perfect. And I said, this one I want a testimonial for, which she's already written testimonials for other things. And that can be very frustrating for many doctors of any medical field to figure out, how do you get those hormones perfect, right? And it wasn't easy, but that's the difference between someone who's been in practice for 25 years and someone who's been, you're not catching me at 5 or 15 years. So all these cases, and you can visit our website, and I'm counseling my doctors who work here at Elements in Harmony. There are so many, approaches, different approaches when it comes to very complicated cases. And what I want to share is that you can heal, and you just need to know how to heal. And when you find yourself an acupuncturist, find someone who is not just, someone who's been in practice for a while, someone who's confident in their skill set, and someone who knows how often you should come, because the frequency does matter. All right, check us out, elementsinharmonyacupuncture.com. If you are a struggling acupuncturist, visit successfulacupuncturist.com. I normally don't combine both, but I think it's necessary for lesser experienced acupuncturists to know what we're doing. And you gotta, learn from the source. You gotta know, exactly how to approach your very difficult cases, because people are paying you good money, and they're giving you their hopes to achieve what they want to achieve. So check us out also. I have a new Instagram channel, Dr. Anna Dolopo, completely different branding for something very special. So check us out, Dr. Anna Dolopo. All right, thank you so much. Have a great night.